Here we are once again for another unboxing video. Please be reminded that this is not the Marvel Crisis Protocol corset. This is just a box of it, which was used for shipping. Thank you very much for Doc Carlos for helping me out and buying this thing or things inside the box uh, from eBay. So yeah, let's open this box right now. And here we go. So there, we open the box. Always be reminded that you should always disinfect the box before you open them. So I poured over bleach here earlier so that this could be somehow COVID free. We have here the Justice League Unlimited Heroclix starter set. So we have 5 for me and my friends. This was actually released last, I don't know, May or April. So that's that. And we will continue with the unboxing right now. And I'll just close the blind so that it won't be against the light. And see you around. Okay, so now that the blinds are closed, you can do the unboxing. So it only has one tape and then flaps. Just like the Fantastic Four starters, we have a plastic here containing 4 maps, the core rulebook, the PAC, the markers, and some cards. More on that later. And then we have, let's see, we have Green Lantern, Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, Flash, and Martian Manhunter, plus some dice. Also, before I forget, this is the front part of the box. The top with Wonder Woman and Superman. The side, both Martian Manhunter and Green Lantern, and Flash and Batman at the other side. This is the back part of the box. You can just pause it and read if you want. And then at the bottom, some legalese. Okay, so I'll just open up this pack and spread it out so that you could see what's inside. Okay, so upon opening the whole box and the whole pack, here are the figures. So the dice, the JLU dice. Um, yeah, the JLU logo is number 6, unlike the Fantastic Four starter, where the 4 logo is the literal number 4. Here, this is 6, so we have 4 there. And then we have Wonder Woman, Flash, Batman, Green Lantern, and Superman, and Martian Manhunter. We have the basic starter markers and objects, rulebook, and the PAC. We have the cards, and unlike the Fantastic Four starter, we have here a QR code for the rules for skirmish. It's there. And for the scenarios, they have a QR code here, so you can check it out for the scenarios. And we have the maps. I'll be spreading this one in a few seconds, so just stay put. Okay, so this is the indoor Cadmus Labs map, and you can see here the map bonus. And when you turn it over, you can see here the Daily Planet outdoor map, and you can just see the location bonus there. And then we have another map. Let me just pause this one for a sec. This is the Indoor Injustice Gang hideout. Okay, so you could use this one for skirmish format, and this is the location bonus. Then when you turn it over, you'll have the Justice League Watchtower indoor map, also for skirmish format. You can use that one for the skirmish format. And here is the location bonus. So those are the maps, and again, this is the starter set of Justice League Unlimited, released last, I don't know, April or May 2020. And this is for my Heroclix Filipino brothers out there, so that you could see what's inside of this starter set. Also, I noticed that unlike the Fantastic Four starter set figures, these aren't switch clicks. So maybe we won't see any deep cuts version of these anytime soon. And there you have it. That's the Justice League Unlimited starter set. Thank you very much for watching, and please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see some of my content. Thank you.